Hello everyone, today Peter again, but I would like to show you one video and I won't talk a lot. It will be really short recording. I just want you to know about it so that we can test it better. I haven't tested yet. It's a video. I'll show you first the video. This one gets 4 times more, yes, 4 times the power from your solar panels. And it's a tech ingredients. Okay, they've got quite a few good videos and I'm following them, as you can see, subscribed. This video talks about solar concentrators. Yes, so you've got different types of solar concentrators, cheaper, dear, and this guy is in this video showing a comparison of a regular solar panel on the left and modified by what he's done here. Of course, you've got a small shadow, and that was corrected in the second test. He's mentioning that one as well, but if you would check it, you know how much it takes. Let's say when it's not using this mirror, like here on the left, and when he does, like he will open it and he will show you now. Okay, don't know where it was because he was opening it. Let me check. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, so then you see it's this one, and again he's mentioning the shadow you got in the second test. But anyways, you know, if you look carefully in this video, you will see that the concentration level is quite high, and even if you can't get 4 times as much as this guy can, then even 2 times if we can achieve that, I would say awesome. And he's mentioning all the details, so I won't be mentioning you, but my idea is I'm waiting till the end of the month. I need to speak to my landlord and my solar panels. I will decide, should I increase the number of solar panels or maybe add mirrors as a solar concentrators and get this way more sun, especially here in Scotland is a problem with the sun. Many times I see that those batteries are not really charging, but I bought 5 batteries for £10 each, 60 and 80 amp hours. One was faulty, I will swap it with another one. The rest were fine from a garage. Instead of, you know, selling it to the by them to the recycling center or whatever, they sell it probably to scrapyard for like about £10. They sold me for that amount, so I paid 50 for working, well, 3 for now working for sure. I still need to charge one, and if so I will return whatever is not working. I will return and just swap for another ones later when they will have more. So I've got 2 batteries, 130 amp hours, new ones, deep cycle, I don't know, snappy batteries, and then I've got my old 2 batteries as well, and now I bought 5. So I want to build here underneath the racking. I'll start with 4, or probably I'll use 6 batteries because they are not too big, so I need to connect them. And then inverter for it, I need at least 1 kilowatt inverter because I've got hot air station here which I'm using. So yeah, I'm thinking about it to do it this way, and that video is really crucial to watch because we can share the knowledge later. I would try to do something like concentration of the energy. And of course you need to steer, because in the morning might be this setting or even this setting, who knows, and then, you know, in the evening can be the opposite. Yes, so yes, that can be a bit tricky for many people, but if you can do it, if you really can do it, then I would say that's a proof that, you know, this can concentrate quite well. And instead of putting twice more solar panels and investing significant amount of money in them, you can get something, one, it's cheaper, and second, it's more portable because you can make it openable and closable. So when you're carrying it, you know, you don't need to take twice more panels. Yes, and then at the peak time you would gain more. Yes, whereas here, if you can move it from the from the morning to the evening, yes, dark to dawn or whatever it's called, dusk to whatever, you know what I mean, then, you know, I would say it's worth trying at least, you know, worth doing at least one panel. And if I can prove that efficiency is growing, then insulate each panel separately by diodes, so that if one is not producing, you know, it doesn't consume the power more than it should. So I think this is something which I will add to my solar system. That's why I thought I'll share it with you, because it's 18 minutes video, and I think if it's working, then we've got something really good, and you can get far more from your solar panels than you would normally without it. Yes, so thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.